Amazon just made video ads super simple. No fancy editing, no $1,000 agency bill, nothing. I took photos from my Amazon FBA product listing and I turned it into a high quality professional video ad without any editing experience. Introducing Creative Studio, a completely free tool inside of your advertising console that allows you to take your photos and turn them into realistic, high quality, and high converting video ads. So let's jump into my computer and you're gonna go to aistudio.amazon.com. Then you're going to click create a video from existing images. From there, it's going to give you a series of prompts that you're going to follow. It's going to ask for things like your brand name or URL, your ASIN or your product URL, and then you're going to attach your product images directly in the chat. And then it will start creating images and turn those into videos and create scenes, walking you through the entire process. Once this is done, you will have a little edit icon on the right-hand side. And from there, you can trim the videos, you can add overlay text, you can add music, you can add voiceover, and customize the video that meets your needs for your specific product. And not only can you make a video, you can also come over here to Studio and you can create custom images from your existing images. So let's say you have a seasonal event such as the holidays. You take your photo, you enter it into Studio, and you say generate an image according to Christmas. And just like that, you now have a custom photo that you can now use in the Christmas season. And you can do this for any season that you want. You can also use this for different advertising campaigns inside of Amazon, and it just allows you the flexibility to create videos and photos without having to spend thousands of dollars on editing softwares and agencies because you now have Creative Studio. So go to aistudio.amazon.com and try out this amazing tool and see for yourself.